she's laughing. Oh, wow.
Rachel, what is he doing? Is he eating? Yes, he's eating.
Look at this one.
Yeah.
Puppies!
Oh, wow.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Puppies!
Is that a bird?
Puppies!
That's a cool looking bird. Oh, look at the little mouse. You see him?
Yeah. See the little mouse? What's he doing? Oh, wow. Come over here, Rachel. Look. See that over here?
Now you can see.
Look at this picture.
Wow.
Now you
That's
can see.
awesome.
Oh, you can't go get him. Oh, here comes a little birdie coming over this way. Behind the log.
Yeah, and I got the peacock.
Little mouse. See the little mouse? See him? Did you see the mouse? Mouse. Whoa.
What's he doing?
He looks like a banana peel.
Rachel,
Come on, here, let's go. Here. Come on, let's go look at other birdies.
We'll have to wash your hands.
Oh yeah.
Come on, let's go look at other birdies.
Go back the way we came.
I can't go this way?
That leads you back out into the lobby.